Hi, my name is Vicki Zanz, and I'm the principal at Maria Carrillo High School in Santa Rosa, California. The reason I'm here today is to talk to you about how the concept of Lead from the Heart applies to education in general, high schools in particular, and specifically Maria Carrillo High School. The goal of education as we know it is to connect with students on a personal level by engaging them in learning in order to maximize their potential by valuing and honoring their achievements. This is exemplified in elementary school as well as middle school. However, once students reach high school, the focus changes. The focus goes from getting to know students and giving them kudos for high achievement and for personal gain to more of an assembly line of taking very rigorous courses, getting good grades, taking college entrance exams, getting accepted to college, getting accepted to the best colleges, better than your friends, and not so much a focus on the who of the student, but instead of the what of getting into a college. In 2016, the instructional leadership team was developed at Maria Carrillo High School to find a more effective way to meet the Common Core state standards and to maintain the rigor of the coursework without relying so much on outside things like homework. In October of 2017, this became even more necessary. When the wildfires hit Sonoma County, about 11% of our students lost their homes, meaning they didn't have a home to go to do their homework. Teachers were asked to stop giving homework and to talk to their students about how they were doing and what they needed. My TCP, or Transitional Change Project, was born out of a desire to make an attempt to adjust into a cultural shift that one-time thing of not giving homework. Although homework is only one issue being addressed by the instructional leadership team, it is changing the culture by engaging a group of people to work towards a common goal, by empowering the leaders in this process to change the culture of the school to better help our students. We're moving Maria Carrillo High School from that assembly line mentality to more of a lead from the heart kind of school, where students are engaged in the learning because teachers are getting to know them and helping them maximize their potential and valuing and honoring what they achieve. I hope to make sure that this Transitional Change Project sticks long after I'm gone. Thank you for listening.